In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox website is not working or loading. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on these dots and you want to head over to delete browsing data. In there you want to choose all time and you want to make sure you delete everything except for your browser history. You can keep that if you want, but make sure you delete the cookies and data and all that stuff. Once you've done that, you want to head over to roblox.com. You don't need to log into your account. I'm just logged in now, but you want to click on this right here. Go to cookies and site data, manage on device site data, and then delete these. If you don't have them, that's fine. If you have them, delete them. Once you've done that, come up here again, go to site settings, see if you have data here, delete data if you have it, and after that you want to reset permissions. You want to do this no matter what. Then what you can do is you want to check if you have your VPN. So search here, VPN. If you have one, you want to remove it. You can also have it up here, so make sure you remove it if you have it here. After that, what I suggest you do is you come here and search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator. And in here, what you want to do is you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type netsh winsock reset, netsh int IP reset. Press enter and then close it down. After that, restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. Now if for some reason it's still not working, if you really want to play Roblox and you cannot get on the website, you can open up the Microsoft Store and then you can download Roblox from in there and that will also work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.